Hi my dear friends, welcome to Error Reference. Today, we're going to tackle a common and frustrating issue in the world of computers. Is your computer also slowing down? Or are your programs taking forever to load? Have the strange noises of your hard drive or constant freezing driven you crazy? If yes, then this video might have the solutions you're looking for. One of the reasons that can slow down your system is a service called Superfetch or SYS-main. This service was first introduced in Windows Vista to improve user experience. Before that, in Windows XP, there was a similar service called Prefetcher. Superfetch was an advanced version of this service, and later in Windows 10, it was renamed to SYS-main. The main job of Superfetch is to monitor the user's behavior. It preloads the programs you use frequently into RAM in advance. This ensures that programs open faster and you don't waste time waiting. However, this service isn't always helpful and can sometimes cause issues, especially on systems with low RAM or those using an HDD. Excessive disk usage leads to severe system slowdowns and lag. If you have less than 8 GB of RAM, it's better to disable this service. If you're still using an HDD, disabling SYS-main is recommended. If your disk usage is always high, you should definitely disable this service. But if you have 8 GB or more of RAM and an SSD, it's better to leave SYS-main enabled. To disable SYS-main, first press Windows and R. Then, type services.msc in the Run window and hit Enter. Look for SYS-main in the list of services. Right-click on SYS-main and choose Properties. In the Properties window, change the startup type to Disabled and click Stop. Finally, click OK, and you're done. Remember, disabling this service is not necessary for all users. If you use an SSD and don't have issues, it's best not to change anything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for staying with me till the end. See you in the next video.